hair sheet mask. Shampoo that they have for the EverPure is with the goji berry. I like that name or word, goji. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair video, but not a color one yet. I'm actually trying out something that I was sent by Influencer and L'Oreal. It is their EverPure shampoo and hair sheet mask. Yep, sheet mask. So like the face sheet masks, those are so 2017. It's all about the hair sheet masks now. So it's supposed to work after you shampoo. You put it on, and then the steam from the shower helps it work and stuff. You leave it on for 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute hair spa. I received them complimentary for testing purposes, and that's exactly what we're going to do today, and seeing if they stack up and deliver on the product claims. I love the smell of both products and being sulfate free. The shampoo lathers up great and made my hair feel soft, clean, and moisturized. Using the hair sheet mask was easy. Just wrap it like a towel and secure it with a sticky tab and wait 5 minutes. While I waited, I helped work in the mask more, massaging it a bit. Okay, now I have dried my hair, and I quickly ran a straightening iron through it, and other than a thermal protection spray, I didn't have any need or real need for serum or glossing spray like I normally would, so that's really great. I'm actually way impressed with both of the products and the noticeable difference that my hair has after just one use. It's much more manageable and moisturized. So if you like to watch beauty review videos, DIY projects, hair, fashion hacks, and more, and you're not one of my subscribers, what are you waiting for, silly? Oh, and while you're over there at the subscription button, click the bell next to it so that you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. So these definitely held up to the product claims when it came to my hair, that is. How about yours? Have you tried any of the EverPure L'Oreal products? And what were your results and experience? Share with me in the comments and let me know. I would love to hear. So I'm for sure going to be adding these products into my hair routine and do highly recommend them, especially to anyone who has any overly dehydrated or just dehydrated hair, or just any hair that needs a little bit of extra TLC. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking that thumbs up button, and I will see you next time and video. Alright, bye.